Alright, about to put my oil pan on. Got everything all cleaned up. Here's my pickup and baffle under pan. Here's my lower pan. Putting the oil pan in. Lower pan cleaned. Alright, it was a non-turbo pan, but I drilled it out and tapped it. I'm actually going to put studs in it. These are just to make sure everything was nice and straight looking and good. But that's my pickup and baffle and little tank. That's about it. So I got the pickup tube in, got a seal on it, got the windage tray all bolted down. Gonna torque everything down now and then put a seal on this and then get my bottom tray on and flip it back over.
Just lower it all the way again. We're gonna have to pull it a bit further back and get it like that. Okay. I think I move. I think over again. We just hit the back of
That's perfect.
Alright, lower it. I wonder if I could just fucking slide that bitch. So close. I know.
That's so far.
Close.
Action.
We are in the hole. You're in yours, Austin?
Action, you see that?
Yeah, you should be, because you didn't pull it out far enough.
Alright.
Your pull-out game was not strong.
No.
We're going down.
Alright, good.
We're going down.
Good.
We're going down.
Sweet.
I'm gonna let pressure off this transmission.
Do
now.
not let pressure.
I got you.
No!
Just no.
Just don't do it, please. Because I have no bolts holding those things.
Motor in.
Yeah.
I mean, you'd only fall on that one brace there.
Or it'll fall back out of the goddamn hole.
Yeah, I would not do that.
Dun 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 dun.
Hooray! Poor Bolorama shirt got abused.
Hell yeah.
I think it gets abused anyways. Looks sexy.
Hold on. No 2JZ is complete.
2JZ, no shit. Ooh. Here we are. Murder's all in.
You should take a picture of it with your phone and send it to me.
Okay.
Alright. I've got the intercooler mounted. It's a 4-inch 4-core intercooler. Just a generic one. I got all my accessories bolted on, including the twin turbo power steering pump. I do have fuel pressure regulator kind of mocked up. As you can see, it's not fully on yet. Waiting, I gotta get my intake and injectors and whatnot. But AC is all hooked up. On this side, I got this kind of all mocked up. I mean, there's still tape all up underneath these, so I gotta retake them off and put their gaskets on. Also, cam position sensors. So yeah, I mean, slowly getting there. Gotta do my hoses for my heater. Got everything marked up. Intercooler pipe into intake. Of course, nothing's clamped down. It's not even bolted down. There's still a piece of paper tape in between. So everything is getting back together and getting mocked up. I got power steering relocation, the intake, all the piping routed, just main stuff. Let's go into the back real quick. I'm gonna do the fuel pump. I got a Walbro 450. Just doing that. Yep, that's it for right now. Interior still all apart. I got my shifter and stuff stuffed back in, but it's getting there.